Constitution Day in Uzbekistan. December 8. Constitution Day in Uzbekistan is an important national holiday commemorating the adoption of the country's founding laws. The Constitution of Uzbekistan was approved on December 8, 1992, having been preceded by 2.5 years of arduous work by the Constitutional Commission. Uzbekistan's constitution outlines the fundamental concepts of democracy and includes amendments introduced as late as 2017. Constitution Day in Uzbekistan is a public, non-working holiday. Central streets in every city and town are decorated with the national flag. Concerts, exhibitions, sporting events, and special performances are held in Tashkent, despite the winter chill, receive a good turnout nearly every year.